Holy crap, guys. First off, I want to say thank you. I asked for 10,000 views to give away that inflatable hot tent. You guys are almost at 30,000 views in 5 days. That is freaking crazy. So thank you guys so much. So I have a diesel heater, and I hooked it up to the micro camper. This diesel heater hooked up to this camper does a great job. It runs at about 70 to 80 degrees inside of that camper with that diesel heater, so it's gonna be nice and warm tonight. But right now we're down by the creek. I wasn't able to get here a couple weeks ago, but Mother Nature got rid of all the snow for about 10 days, so I'm able to get back here again with the e-bike and the camper. So here we are, stealth camping once again, but we gotta be quiet because there's people at the dog park right now. But geez, did you guys blow last week's video away? So I am giving away that hot tent, but right now we're gonna set up camp right next to the creek. We're stealth camping tonight. We're supposed to be getting 7 to 10 inches of snow tonight into tomorrow, so getting out of here is going to be very difficult. I'm not sure how we're going to do it yet, but we can't keep the camper here, so we are getting rid of it tomorrow morning. I have a feeling I'm going to have to go home with the bike, come back with my Jeep and a sled, and pull the camper out of here. But I guess we'll find out in the morning, and I'll try my best to record all that, or at least let you know how I did it. It's pretty darn late in the afternoon right now. It's going to be dark in about an hour. That means everybody will leave this park, and I'll be free to have a fire. I have some spicy hot dogs for dinner tonight. All right, guys, here's the setup. Diesel heater in the back, right in front of the window, right in front of the back window. We are just feet from the creek. I am so excited that we are right next to the creek. This is awesome. This has been my plan for this camper since I built it. Look at the ice and snow. This is so cool. All right, back to the setup. There's the dog park. We're pretty darn close to that. All right, looking inside of here. There's my bedroll, my pillow, my wool blanket, and my sleeping pad are all right there. I'm not going to unroll that until later on tonight. I don't think I'm going to completely set up until it's dark. I mean, I have the diesel heater hooked up already, but I don't know, having that bedroll out really makes it like camping, and I feel better if it's not out yet, so we're going to keep that rolled up. I ended up using the King Bull mountain bike to get down here tonight, this evening. That mountain bike is awesome. They are not sponsoring this video, but that bike is awesome. I love it. Camp is set up, guys. You know what time it is. Step 2 time. Cheers. It's supposed to get down to about 15 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 10 degrees Celsius tonight. I don't have a sleeping bag. All I have is my wool blanket and the diesel heater. So I'm putting a lot of faith in this diesel heater that it runs all night long. I have a little bottle of diesel with me just in case this runs out of diesel fuel in the middle of the night. We'll see how that goes. Cheers, guys. This is freaking awesome. We're in store for a buttload of snow tonight, and I can't wait until the snow starts flying. That's not going to happen until 7 or 8, I think. Hopefully it doesn't come earlier than that. Sun's about to go down in about an hour, and I'll probably see you guys then. And I'll have a fire going to cook some hot dogs. Cheers, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. The giveaway video will be coming in the next couple weeks. Maybe next week, maybe not next week. We'll see. Cheers. Thanks a lot for hitting that video up to 30,000 views, guys. It's freaking crazy. Let's get this one there, too, please. You guys got that video up so high in less than a week. Do the same thing with this one, please. Hit this video up. Share it everywhere. Get this video to 10,000 views in a week, guys. Please. Get all my videos doing that. That'd be so freaking awesome. It's all because of you guys. Yesterday was Christmas, by the way. We had an amazing Christmas because of you guys. My family got almost everything that they wanted. I got to thank you all. Thank you, guys. Cheers. I hope you guys had a great Christmas, too. And here's to a Happy New Year, because that's next week. It's about 13 degrees Fahrenheit right now. I'm about to cook dinner and get in that heated camper. You guys see it over there lit up? It's a little lit up. You know what, let's get it warmed up. It's remote controlled. I've got 3 spicy beef hot dogs on one stick because I'm going to cook them all at once. Conserve the firewood. If I only cook once, then I only need enough wood to cook once. It's been about an hour and a half since the last time I saw you. I gathered a little bit of firewood. I smell diesel. I gathered some birch bark, made the hot dog stick. I drank that 1 beer. That's about all I've done since the last time I saw you. It is dark. Park is empty, so it was clear to start the fire and cook some dinner because I'm hungry. It is freaking cold. I haven't started the heater until just now because I don't know how much diesel I'm going to go through tonight, but I am cold. I'm ready to eat these hot dogs, drink the rest of my beers, and sit in there where it's warm. No snowflakes yet. Got this new tripod light for Christmas from Billy. Thanks, Billy. Today's the day after Christmas, so it only took me 1 day to get out with it. Uh-oh. Burnt glizzies. First hot dog. It is a spicy Nathan's hot dog. Cheers. The bun is really cold. Ooh, that's got some heat. That's a good hot dog. The bun, on the other hand, they kind of suck. Ooh, that's spicy. I mean, that camper's gonna stink. Spicy glizzies. Try to toast that bun a little bit without losing it, or my glizzy. I think that worked. All right, I'm gonna sit here and finish my glizzies, and I'll see you guys in the camper. Cheers. Holy crap, guys. 2 cars were just in the parking lot while the fire was going, while I had the light on in the freaking camper. And I don't know if they saw me, but the first one left, then the second one took off real quick. And I don't know where the frick they went, or if they saw me or what, but I put the fire out real quick, and I turned the light off in the camper. I mean, it's possible they didn't see me, but it's also possible that they did see me. It's like, frick. I thought I was in the clear. I don't know. I didn't see the cars come down here. Maybe they were here the whole time. I don't freaking know. Maybe they were here the whole time. I don't know. I think I'm going in the camper with the lights off for a little while, and we'll see what happens. Wish me luck. Oh, wait. Hold on. It just started snowing. Oh, man. And the snow begins just after 5 p.m. We'll see how bad it gets, guys. Let's see. I should not have this light on right now. 50 degrees in the camper. This thing's only been going for 20 minutes. Oh man, the snow started. That's so cool. Hi guys, we are in the camper. Yeah. Oh shit. There's the heater back there. So the door in the front's this way. And we are in here for the night. Well, until we go out, I guess. Cheers. Step 2, number 2. Dinner was, those hot dogs were great. Those spicy Nathans. If you guys get a chance to get those, try them up. Cheers. Oh man, it's about 14 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't have a cup holder in here. Looks like it stays in my hand. All right, guys, the light's going off for a while. I'm gonna enjoy this step 2, and I'll see you if something happens. It's almost 70 in here. Check out outside. There we go. You can kind of see it. Bike's getting covered in snow. Heater's getting covered in snow. And it's coming down. It's gonna be a good storm, guys. I can't wait. I can't wait to wake up to all the snow. It's so much fun. Spackman's log. 80 degrees over here. I just turned it down. I had it on high. It got really hot here, so it's 80 degrees over there. Down here by my feet and the door, we're looking at 68.8. That's the thermometer right there. That's Bluetooth to the phone. I started to sweat, so I turned it down. I had to turn it up on high, which means it feeds more diesel faster, and the blower's also on high, because my feet were actually kind of cold down here by the door, down there by the door. Heater's this way, feet are this way. So I turned it up on high for, I don't know, maybe half hour, and it's nice and warm in here now. I don't think it's gonna stay warm for very long, and I don't know how much snow's out there yet. But from 8 till 10, we're supposed to get really heavy snow, and it's 7:15 now. So we'll see what happens. It started getting pretty chilly in here, like down to 59. So I finally turned the thermostat up. Let's see if it gets hotter in here. Let's see what happens. I don't know, maybe the thermostat does work. It's holding at 68. It also snowed a bunch out there. Spackman's log. It's a little after 11. I think I'm ready for bed, guys. It's still snowing out there. We got probably 3 to 4 inches of snow so far. See how much we get throughout the night. I really enjoy waking up to a bunch of snow, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully we get out of here in the morning as well without an issue, depending on how much snow we get, right? So wish me luck. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you in the morning. Good night. At 10:45, I refilled the tank with diesel, so we'll see how long it lasts. 7 a.m. Still holding at 68. Look at the snow. I know the window doesn't do it justice. We'll get out of here in a second. Check out the snow. It's 7:15. I just turned the heater off. I can hear the creak. I had no, I couldn't hear anything over the diesel heater. That's the biggest problem with a diesel heater. They're kind of loud. They have a clicking noise for the pump. But at 7:15, it was holding at 69 degrees. I gotta let the heater cool down so I can put it in here to get it home. So it's gotta start cooling, and I gotta get out and check out the snow. I think I'm gonna hold on to this heat as long as I can, and then we'll get out of here. Oh boy, it's cold out there. Whew. I forgot my jacket. Okay, now I think we're ready. It is currently 16 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Let's step out. Check out this snow. We did not get as much as I was hoping. We did get, I'd say about 4 inches, but if your mom asks, that's 8. I do love the look of snow in the morning, guys. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at these stairs. That's beautiful. Well, guys, the best part about not getting 10 inches of snow is I don't think it's going to be that hard getting out of here. So I'm going to let this heater cool down, and then we're heading home. Thanks a lot for joining me on this micro camper stealth adventure. See you guys next week. Blow this video up too, guys. Come on. Share it everywhere. Get it up to 10,000 views in a week. I know you can. Thanks. For the boys. Well, we got her home. It wasn't as bad as I was expecting. I just hit it at about 10 miles per hour, held the throttle about 10. I just pushed the crap out of it. I wasn't on the bike for most of the way until the road. Actually, I wasn't on the bike at all until I hit the road. But a few hundred feet of pushing it with the bike assisting me, it wasn't that bad. Cheers, guys. Morning coffee. Oh, that's good. Burn count 1. That is pretty freaking bad. Exhaust got me. I was screwing around with this. Man, and those ribs got me good. Man, it hurts. Freaking exhaust. Careful, guys. Burn count 1.